Hi. Now in this video, we're going to see once system is handed over, how do we check whether all the student data is available in the system and whether they are right or wrong. Okay, we need to do the data cleanup for the first time. This is only for the students who are existing in the system where we have uploaded all the data. So for that, you need to go to student management. In student management, you have the first option called the student admission. This will open the admission form. So in the admission number, you enter the admission number of the child, say 1, and click on the enter button. This will populate the student name and other details. Now we have the details here. In case, let's say any of the data is wrong, let's say you have the name, the class, section, the fee group that the child is applicable for, so on. So if you want to make any alterations here or something is wrong, then you click on the edit button on the right hand side. Now this will allow you to edit it. So let us say there's a mistake in the class. It's not daycare, if it's something else. Then you have the option to click the drop down and select the respective class. Okay, so once you have selected the class, then you look at the section. Same way the section also can be selected. And then next is the fee group. Fee group is the daycare 6 years to 10 years after school. In case if it is not that fees that child is in, then you have to choose the right option over here, which fee in the daycare category they are taken. Once you selected that, then you can go to the month, the fee start month. Fee start month is nothing but the month from which in this academic year, the fee collection should start. So in case if it is April, you can leave it as it is. But let's say if it is not April, the child's fee collection actually starts from the month of June. Then you can actually select June here and then you can save that. So that also can be changed. Similarly, the date of joining and the date of birth. If these two figures, you need to check whether that is wrong. If let's say the date of joining is wrong, you can click on that and edit it over here itself. Same way with the date of birth. Once that is done, then you have the next important field called the admission type. Now, admission type new. It means that in case if the child is an admission for this academic year, then it will be considered as new. But if it is like here in this case, the date of joining is 2018. So obviously it is actually an older student coming from the previous years. Then you need to select this drop down and select on old. Okay, select on old. So now automatically what happens is that this system will understand it is an old student. So the registration fee and the caution deposit should not be collected for this particular child. That is how it will be taken. Then once that correction is done, then you come down and you have the last one, which is the daycare, which is for the daycare fee. Now, in this case, the child is in daycare category, daycare fees, but here only the admission fee and the other fixed components are taken. All the other month-on-month recurring will come here. So you go to daycare, select on yes. So the grid opens up and we have all the daycare options available here. So let us say the child is opted for lunch, and also let us say the child has taken the 4 hours daycare program. And let's say along with the 4-hour daycare program, the child also has some therapy, which is the SE or SE and ST combination. Then you select those two. And when you do this, what is selected is the standard fee. Okay, the standard fee of the child is selected. Now, in case you might have not given a standard fee because you would have given some kind of a concession. Doesn't matter. Right now, first you have to select whether the standard fee model is selected, which is the correct fee and the correct class is selected. And then you click on the save button. Once you do this, the basic data is verified and you can save the child's detail here. Once this is done, you can move to the next phase, which is actually making the relevant alteration to the fees to suit the concession that you have offered to the child. We will show you that in the next video. Thank you.